I want to talk about something that took me so many years to admit. I changed my mind about success, and quite frankly, it costed me so many years. It was definitely not done in a dramatic way, nothing so fancy or done in 1 year, like everything changed suddenly with a click of the finger. And most importantly, nothing went wrong on paper, but there was something which just stalled. It was just on pause. Back in 2019, I was doing really good. Corporate job, financially, career-wise, things made sense to me. Then life happened. Marriage, kids, family, moves, responsibility. And slowly, without even realizing my definition of success, it has dramatically changed. I've been telling myself things like, no, it's not the time. I'll just come back to this later. Right now, I'm too tired. I just need some stability first. Let the kids grow up first. They need me. They are the first priority, which they are, right? Even for now. And I'll be really honest with me and you guys, at that point that sounded like a responsible decision. Well, one thing that I didn't see it back then was how easy it was, or actually how easy it is to pause the ambitions, to pause the dreams. Back then, what I didn't realize is how easy it is for pausing ambitions to quietly turn into postponing yourself. The truth is, I did not lose ambition. I just kept delaying it so often that I don't even know how to sit with it. And every single time I try to restart the YouTube, the goals, the growth, the development, working on myself, I stopped again. It definitely was not because I failed. I don't consider myself a failure. I would never fail in life. I mean, obviously there would be failures, but they would be termed as learnings. But because I was trying to grow, how do I call it? I think I was trying to grow without any structure. And you guys have the life proof. I tried it in 2023, I stopped. I tried again, I stopped. There was a comment on my video which was like, after some months, this channel would also join the category of like millions of other channels which don't make it on YouTube. I don't even know why I'm mentioning that comment right now, but it just stuck to me. It was just there. Like I'm really good at ignoring people and ignoring mean comments, but that comment is, even today, it's stuck to me. Like, what if I don't make it right now? But it doesn't matter. The point is, if you have also been there, you know what that does to you. You start self-doubting yourself, questioning your every single move, every single decision. You wonder, why can't I stay consistent? What if this fails all over again? Maybe I'm just not built for it. Here's the shift that changed everything for me. And I started asking this: who am I becoming if I keep showing up even when no one's watching? In all fairness, it did give me honesty. This time, I obviously thought that I'll start it at a New Year's, but then of course I missed it. But here I am. This time I'm not chasing motivation. I'm here building systems. I'm not trying to be viral. I'm here to sustain and be inevitable, which for me means showing up even when it is boring, saying the same truth more than once, letting time do its own thing and do the heavy lifting instead of my emotions. And the reason I'm documenting it, and I'm starting for the third time, I know I'm not the only one. There are so many women out there who pause their ambitions for real reasons: family, responsibility, survivals, kids. And now they are at a point that they don't know how to restart without burning everything down. This channel is for that version of us. I have no clue where this channel would be in 1 year from now on, but I know one thing. I'm not quitting this time, not because I'm motivated, but because I finally know what I'm building.